In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Yahoo Mail. Let's dive right into it and make sure you can send your emails effortlessly in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you're somewhat new to web browsing, don't worry. Simply open up any web browser that you prefer, like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type in Yahoo Mail. Once the search results appear, click on the link that directs you to the official Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Now, you're going to see a box right there where you need to enter your username. Remember, this is typically the part of your email address that appears before the @ symbol. Take a moment to type that into the space provided. Once you've entered your username, you'll want to look for the button that says Next. Go ahead and click on that. Now, the page will load, and it'll ask you to enter your password. This is your key to accessing your account, so double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. Once you're satisfied that everything looks right, click the Next button again to proceed. At this point, you should be gazing at your Yahoo Mail inbox. Here, your emails are displayed, and you're now just a few short clicks away from crafting a new message. Direct your attention to a button on the top left of your screen that says Compose. Give this button a click. A new window will spring up, giving you the opportunity to create your email. Let's start this process by typing in the recipient's email address. You'll find a field labeled To for this purpose. Double-check the spelling here to ensure your email reaches its intended recipient. If you plan to send your email to multiple people, you can simply separate their email addresses with commas. The next step involves the subject line. Consider this the title or summary of your message. A well-crafted subject can significantly help your recipient understand what your email is about without even opening it. Aim for clarity and conciseness. Now, the heart of your email lies in the message itself. You have a large text box ready to capture your thoughts, news, or inquiries. Dive in and start typing. Yahoo Mail comes equipped with formatting tools, such as bold, italics, and underline, that allow you to highlight key points in your message. Once you're satisfied with your email and confident it's ready to go, it's time to look for the Send button. This button should be located somewhere near the top of the window. Clicking this will dispatch your email to its recipient. Congratulations, you've now successfully sent an email using Yahoo Mail. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become, so feel free to repeat these steps to build your confidence until you're a pro.